Have you ever been frustrated by constant ringing or buzzing in your ears, known as tinnitus? It's a common issue that affects millions of people and can significantly impact your quality of life. Let's dive into how you can tackle this problem naturally. Tinnitus is often described as a ringing, buzzing, or hissing sound in the ears that isn't caused by an external source. According to the American Tinnitus Association, nearly 15% of the general public, over 50 million Americans, experience some form of tinnitus. This condition can stem from a variety of causes, including exposure to loud noises, ear infections, and even certain medications. It not only disrupts your ability to hear, but can also lead to stress, anxiety, and difficulty concentrating. Let's talk about some natural ways to alleviate tinnitus and support overall ear health. First, maintaining a healthy lifestyle is crucial. Regular exercise and a balanced diet can significantly impact your hearing health. Foods rich in antioxidants like blueberries and dark chocolate can help protect your ears from damage. Reducing stress through activities like yoga and meditation can also be beneficial since stress can exacerbate tinnitus symptoms. Certain natural supplements can also support ear health. For example, grapeseed extract is known for its antioxidant properties, which help protect the inner ear from oxidative stress. Green tea, rich in anti-inflammatory compounds, improves blood flow to the ears, supporting overall auditory health. These ingredients, among others, can be part of a comprehensive approach to managing tinnitus and enhancing hearing clarity. If you're curious about a comprehensive solution that includes these powerful ingredients and more, check out the link in the description for details on how you can support your ear health naturally. Another important aspect to consider is noise management. Protect your ears from loud environments by using earplugs or noise-canceling headphones. Avoid prolonged exposure to loud music and sounds. Regular hearing checkups can also help monitor your ear health and catch any issues early on. Incorporating these practices into your routine can greatly contribute to better hearing health and overall well-being. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on managing ear health and improving your overall well-being. Leave a comment if you have any questions or tips of your own.